How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be Doug Hensley's appreciation build, hosted by Craig the Mutt Modeler. And when I seen that he was doing a appreciation build for my boy Doug Hensley, my home squatch skillet, I said, heck yeah, I'm in. And before I get this started, let's see. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. Nobody would want to see this old fat man build models. Alright, guys. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. And with that being said, well, before I get started on that, Xavier, if you're ready for our buddy build, you're up next. Me and Seamus just got done with ours, so you're next. If you're ready, get a hold of me, and I'm ready to start. We're going to be doing Formula 1 cars, and that'll be our buddy build, me and Xavier. And I will have a description in the link below to him and Doug and Craig. I'll have a description for all three of y'all below. But with that being said, probably about it might have been a year, 2 years ago, year and a half ago, I can't remember. Doug had come into, somebody had give him a bunch of models, and he was showing us all his models that he'd gotten and everything. And he had a big pile of stuff that he wasn't going to keep because he had no interest in or whatever. Doug don't build foreign car models much, if any. So the cars that I wanted were, of course, foreign cars. And I think one of them was the Protar. It was a Alfa Romeo convertible. I got that off Doug. I got the, I think the other one was a Tamiya, however y'all want to say it. It was a Mercedes CLR DTM car or something like that. I can't remember. It was a race car. And it's in the closet with all the other stuff. I got that one off of him. And then I got this kit right here. And this is going to be the one I'm going to build. For one reason, it's I know Doug would never, excuse me, Doug would never ever drive this car. I know everybody wants to build something that Doug would drive or would build or whatever. I'm going quite the opposite way about it. These are the kits he didn't want. So I traded him 3 kits for the 3 kits that I got. And I think it's kind of ironic, kind of funny. I'm going to build this very kit that I got off him. You can see right here. It is a 132 on top of that. I don't think Doug builds 132 scale. So, it is the Airfix Austin Healey Bugeye Sprite MK1. And the English guys call them frog-eyed sprites. This kit is a curbside kit. My light just went out. Hope y'all can still see, but my light needs to be recharged, I guess. But this is a curbside kit. And I just started on it, and I will turn it around here in a minute and show you what I've done. But this is what special I'm doing to this car. Is I've cut open the bonnet or the whole hood, the front piece. I've cut it off. Scratch building a firewall. Resin cast an engine for it, radiator, battery. So it's going to have engine detail. I know it's an itty bitty car, and I thought that'd be something different. And who knows? Doug might have drove one of these back in the day. I could see old Doug driving one of these to upstate New York during, what was that up there? Well, them old people go to that big music festival up there in '69. What was that? Hippie stock? Woodstock? Whatever that. I could see old Doug with his long hair and his bandana driving that up to Woodstock. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm going to build this for Doug, and I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to show you what I've gotten done so far. So hold on just a minute, and I'll get you turned around. Alright, guys. This is what I got going on. This is the instructions for the little kit. You can see curbside, no engine, is all molded one piece. You can see that there. Let's see. That's pretty much the whole kit to its great glory there. Not a lot to it. So, this is what I've gotten going on. Okay, guys. This is how the model would have been. Just been one piece body. Alright, so I've cut the whole front end off right here. You can see I've glued this piece on right here, doing some sanding to get the lines out of it. But there's the front bonnet. In real life, this whole front bonnet opens like this. It would open up just like that. That's how the cars are in real life. Now, if they used it for racing, they would reverse it. They would open the bonnet like this. Well, this is so small, I'm doing the engine detail and everything, but I'm not going to hinge it. Those would be awful small hinges. I don't know if I could make it look right, but I am putting the engine in it clearly. But, you know, I can just display it with the bonnet off of it, and you can see in there and everything. But this is what else I've gotten done right here. I have scratched build out of plastic stock, evergreen, whatever you want to call that. And you can see in there I've made this little partial tray. That's what the battery sets on. The real car is just like this. If you look on the internet, you look everything up. Of course, I'm a British car guy, and I have the MG equivalent of this car. I got two of them sitting out there in the garage. I got two MG midgets. Same drivetrain. It's just this one's the Healey Sprite. So it has just a little bit different body in the back. This right here is pretty much the same, and underneath this all's the same, and then the front end's different. But mine's the midget, and this is the Sprite, Bugeye Sprite. So I know what these cars look like underneath here. I know exactly how they go. This right here is pretty correct. This is correct. It might not be perfect to scale, but you know, it is what it is. It's a model kit. It ain't gonna be a real life car, but it's close enough. And I've resin cast a radiator put in here. I got a little itty bitty battery. The battery will go on this shelf right here, because that's where the battery would be in real life. Right there. Of course, you know, I'll still got a lot of trimming and a lot of stuff to do to it. And then I have resin cast a little engine, and I'm starting to scribe the lines on the valve covers. I got to cut this piece off right here, scribe the lines, put a couple bolts, put a oil filler cap about right here. I got a little badge thing to put there. I got a lot of stuff to do to modify this engine. But as you can see, let me see here, the engine's going to set down in there just like that. You can see that real good or not, but it's going to set down in there. I'm going to wire the engine up. It's going to have the dual carbs. It's going to look pretty good. I've hollowed this out because that was just all one piece, which I'll clean it up and do a little bit better job. And then I'm going to have to run an exhaust to go underneath here, make me a muffler and an exhaust to come out. But That's how the car would have been in real life. And there you can see just doing a little sanding on it and stuff. Probably have to scribe some lines out a little bit more. The tires are painted black. I'll have to paint the wheels aluminum, chrome the hubcaps. Now, I haven't decided a color yet. I have not decided a color. An interior color, I'm going to have to make, it don't have no door cards in it, so I'll have to scratch build those. I don't know what else to really tell you about it. Bag full of resin parts that I've cast. And then the top, if I put the top up, here's the windshield. Show you a little windshield to it. Get this out of here, guys. Parts there. There's the little windshield right there. You can see it'll set on there like that. It's a pretty neat little kit. Everything's there accounted for. Little bumpers. They're not chrome, so I'll have to chrome them. It's just a small little kit. Not a lot of detail. The only detail is what I'm putting into it. And then two, I'm going to take this off here. You can see underneath there, whoop, the pedals will go underneath there. It's be right hand drive. And then I'm going to have to cut this to where it goes to where your feet can go through that right there, you know, the way it would look. But that's it. That's it in a nutshell. That's all I've gotten done so far. But once I get this fab work done, painting this little old thing and putting it together is not going to be very long. So I can't build two models at once. I know me and Xavier's got this buddy build coming up, but I should be done with this before we actually start that one. So, and even if I have to do this one and that one at the same time, no big deal. But there you go, guys. That's it. I will leave a link in the description below. So if you're not subscribed to Craig, the Mutt Modeler, Xavier, or Doug Hensley, Doug for sure, this is the man this is for. This is his appreciation build. Y'all go over there and subscribe to him. I can't imagine anybody that's subscribed to me not be subscribed to them. Thank you, guys. We have a great community. And peace out.